everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support, and in this video we're going to go over how to upgrade your Verizon Dual Path radio to support modem format. Any Verizon Dual Path radio can be upgraded to support modem format with the installation of the SLE-MF jumper, the modem format jumper, and the firmware upgrade. The SLE-LTEVI-FIRE, SLE-LTEVI-CFB, and the SLE-LTEVI-CFBPS can all be upgraded. First, the radio would have to be registered and programmed with a phone number and account number. Modem format is not supported by IP, so it must be going to a dial-up phone number. First step would be to upgrade the radio firmware, so we'll go to Radio Check-ins, firmware download, and we can see the base installed standard version is in this radio, and we're going to need to upgrade this to the 128.30.90.01. Jumper number 1 is going to have to be off the radio to upgrade the firmware, and then click Initiate Firmware Download, and it will start the firmware download process. If you need more information on this, we do have another video in the tech library that shows the upgrade process. Once the firmware update is complete, we click refresh. As we see, the firmware has been successfully updated. So now the next step would be to power down the radio and install the SLE-MF jumper as per supplied instructions, with the white line facing to the left, and then power the radio back up. And once the radio is powered back up and reconnects, we can now set it up for modem format. First step would be changing the supervisory. If the panel is reporting modem 2, you would pick modem 2. If the panel is reporting modem 2A or modem 3 and above, you would pick modem 3 format. Then we would go into the advanced tab and change the handshake kiss off to the same thing. Same idea. If it's modem 2, it's modem 2. If it's modem 2A or modem 3, we pick modem 3. And then we save the configuration. And it will download it into the radio. Now the radio is set and ready to report modem format. Now, just to review, we went over how to set up your Verizon Dual Path radio to report on modem format. As always, for more information, you can visit on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.